So just taking a quick look at Verasity then on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, continuing to slowly grind to the downside, back down to this low where we're probably going to get the big bounce from, to be honest. Bitcoin doing its best to chop the market to pieces over the past day or so, with a big liquidation to the downside, as you can see on the hourly here. Ripping back down through some of these bullish fair value gaps, currently bouncing out of this bottom fair value gap down here though, as you can see. I'm probably going to come back up towards the all-time high again if I had to guess, although we have got this big fair value gap here that we need to come and break again to really confirm that we're going to be bullish. Right now Bitcoin in a little bit of a neutral spot. I think yesterday really was just a manipulation of a lot of people to get crushed out of their longs before probably bouncing and going higher, if I had to guess. Obviously, as a result, every single time Bitcoin chops around like this, Verasity gets destroyed in the markets. Really not that much volume for Verasity at the minute, and not really dropping that much either, considering how much of the cryptos had a big bearish red day yesterday, as you can see. But really across the market, I would say that, as you can see, we're really just looking like, in my opinion, that basically Verasity, despite the fact that we've had huge drops across the market, you can see not that much going on really. We haven't really come down and made new lower structure. We're kind of just grinding down here, waiting for some big volume to come in. In my opinion, I think Verasity is still going to have a big bounce to the upside soon. We've come down and swept the liquidity below this range that we've formed so many times at this point. In my opinion, it seems fairly likely we're going to come up and target some of this liquidity above. Obviously, we are technically still in a bull market, although altcoins aren't really moving up as you would have expected in a bull market. And right now, Verasity here, approaching the bottom of the range, probably going to bounce back up towards this 1/5% area. And hopefully we can start ripping through some of these levels of liquidity. You can see we've formed a few trend lines now. This local trend line is all but inevitable to be ripped through, in my opinion. I think at the very least soon we're going to go up to this level here, rip some of this liquidity out of the market. People are probably piling into shorts, in my opinion, with stop losses above these levels. It's probably quite likely that we go back up through some of these trend lines now, in my opinion. This trend line here, and also the trend line, major bear market trend line here. If these start to get ripped through, we could be looking at actually having some good movement for Verasity, but right now still waiting for it to wake up, just like the vast majority of the altcoin market, to be honest. As always guys, thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.